Hey! Haggard yan. Siyempre, galing tayo pang gabi eh. By the way guys, this is day 13 and 14 of Project 50, Self-Improvement. Here's the thing I've learned during my first 2 weeks on this journey. I've learned how to improve my confidence, andyan yung self-doubt, how to conquer it, the importance of creating valuable contents na hindi puro lang kabalbalan. Diba? Sharing my thoughts, hindi lang sa sarili kundi maging sa mga makakapanood nito. Improving my fashion, di man ganun ka-solid pero may pagbabagong nagaganap. So very much appreciated. Committing yourself to be more productive. Kung paano mo mahihigitan yung dating ikaw. Kung paano mo mas pahahalagahan ang oras na ipinagkaloob sa'yo ng Diyos. Prove yourself to yourself and not to others. Isa din sa natutunan ko ay maglagay ng oras sa pagbabasa ng libro. Diba? Mas trip ko kasing makinig o manood ng podcast compared to reading a book. Kaya ako binabalance yung time management ko to do it together. Reading a book and then watching valuable content or podcast, dapat i-align natin yung goal natin dun sa mga bagay na pwede tayo mag-improve. Dun mo ipanalo yung araw mo. And before we end this video, I just want to share with you guys a simple but remarkable quotation. This is just a reminder that doing your best doesn't mean pushing yourself to the point of mental breakdown. So, yun lang guys. See you in the next video.